Exciting day today. This is the unboxing of my new helmet. I've been talking about it for a while. Decided to pull the trigger. I found this company, Fort9, which is in Montreal, so always a good thing to have a local company ship your stuff out. No shipping fees, custom, exchange rate, all that stuff. So without any more drama, we're gonna unbox it. The first box of, well, the box inside a box. And this is exciting for me. It's gonna be no surprise to a lot of people. It's gonna be another Bell helmet because my last one was a Bell qualifier, Momentum, and for my head shape, the Bell is the brand that fits me the best. It suits me a lot. Doesn't have any strong point around my head. You know what I'm saying. I think their basic shape is intermediate oval, so I guess that's my head. And I decided to pull a trigger on a Race Star Ace Cafe Carbon in Gold, like the special edition one. I chose this because Fort9 had one in stock locally and they're gonna stop producing it soon. So I was, it's still in Canada. This is like, when they got out, they were $1,000 plus taxes and everything. And they're 30% off, so I got it at $700, which is quite a deal for still the expensive helmet. It's my first premium helmet, and I was really torn apart between this and the Shoei RF 1200. But like, this was my first love for me, and the Shoei had like cheek pads are bigger, so it not crushes my face, but I can feel it more. And since I already have a Bell that's at the same size, pretty much same shape, I know once I get it broken in, it's gonna fit me like a glove, and I'm gonna love it. And the factor that was really tea break, yes, it's tea. That was really me pulling. I wasn't sure between each one. Is I'm more upright on the FZ09, so the RF, the Shoei was better on that. And the Shoei is more quiet. But then again, I ride with earplugs, so quietness, doesn't really change. So I decided to pull a plug on this one because, like a lot of us, looks wise, this is a gorgeous helmet, like what I've seen on the internet. So that's like, my heart was on the Bell. So without any further ado, we're gonna start the real unboxing. And I can zoom in. 5-year warranty. So off the bat, the box is in pretty good shape. And good thing with Fort9, no surprise on taxes and shipping and exchange rate. And I got it in like a day and a half, because literally they're like, I think they're a half an hour away from my house. So if there's a problem with size, I can just go back almost by myself. So, ooh, nice box. Quality cardboard, and oh yeah, ooh, you can see it's premium from this beautiful bag. Like, damn, Race Star. So the box, it's a standard box. Ooh, let's get down to the nitty gritty here. Wow, I'm excited about this. Doesn't look like it, but I'm excited. Like, this is it's a major purchase for anybody, a helmet. Like, my last one was like a learner's helmet, like $100. This is my first, like, I'm gonna ride for a long time helmet. I decided to go premium, and oh, I love it. I want to see how it looks. Like, the bag is, wow, real soft. Make sure not to scratch the helmet. Oh, there it is. Ooh. there it is. We're gonna see if it looks half as good in real as it does. No standard stuff inside. Oh, looks amazing. Like, look at this. Front, you got the gloss carbon, matte carbon, the gold, a bit of black, and oh my god, look at that profile on the helmet. Wow. Ooh. Oh, medium is 57 to 58 exactly. Wow. You know, unlike my other helmet, there's a visor lock, which was a big deal for me on my other one, like 120 blind spot check and one to crack open. So this was a big deal for me. Chin curtain, so it's gonna be more quiet, more flow. So off the bat, like, ooh, every air vent has a distinctive click that the qualifier didn't have. Qualifier was an entry level. Ooh, I sound like a child. I am a child. Because stuff like this. I'll tear this off. Probably shouldn't. I'm guessing it doesn't fit me. Let's try it on. Let's see if. Ooh, magnetic. A little red strap. That's cool. Okay, I got it. So it's real snug. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna order a large, like my ears are bent down. I don't know if it's that because of the fact that it's new, or I really need a large. Fudge. I'll keep you updated on that. It's definitely a more sporty helmet. It's DOT and Snell approved. The fit is way more tight than on something like my qualifier or the RF 1200. Like, a big difference for me is the chin curtain that I didn't have and the nose deflector that I didn't have. But there's a lot of vent on it for a sporty helmet, and the field of vision is really, really big. You can see how big it is. One thing, however, it doesn't have a how do I say this? A split open, like it's open or closed. Like my qualifier, I had like a close, medium, open. So when you ride around town, sometimes I would keep it like this. But it's no big deal. It's what you expect for a more sporty helmet. But other than that, inside the bag, it's a pretty standard bag. You can find the instructions, a few stickers, and that's pretty much it. Like, there's a few pockets on it, there's space on the back, and it's empty, so it's no biggie. And I like the fit and finish of this one. It's carbon, it's light. I don't know the exact weight, but this is what I wanted and I got it. So I treat myself. So other than that, that's pretty much it. So here we are, 2 days later. I did return the medium helmet and got this large one, and Fortnite made it real easy. Just go online, make a request, they send you a sticker for the post, which is prepaid, everything. Just print it, put it on the box that you got it from, and return it back. No fees, nothing. And just place a new order for a new one. And it's really easy, really. They explain it quite well on the site. And yeah, so why I switched to a large. I did try the medium after the video this video basically, and try it on for 10 minutes and it gave me a headache. I can feel a pressure point right on top here, on the side of the top. Didn't like that at all, and my ears, like I'm going to say, they were bent down and didn't come back up. So I switched to a large, and let me tell you, it's still very tight. It's a snug helmet. It's a snuggle proof, you know. But now it feels like I can tell the difference. I put it on and it feels good. It feels tight without hurting me, without any pressure points. So if you're looking into buying a race star in the family of the race star, I highly suggest to go up a size. If you go check online on reviews, everybody says it. Go up a size. If you're a medium, get a large. If you're a large, extra large, etc., etc. So this, now that it's a good size, it fits well. I'm still thrilled about it, and I'm still gonna wait a while until I test ride it. But that's it. I decided to pull the plug on the medium and get a large instead, and I'm not regretting it. Because originally I thought that the medium would break in a little bit, and I checked online and it doesn't break a whole lot. And that's it. So I trade for one large one. Me and my new buddy here.